Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the alternator in a Lexus RX 350. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical hazards. You will need a few essential tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a serpentine belt tool. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you start working on it. Now, let's get to the alternator. First, you'll need to locate the serpentine belt. Use a serpentine belt tool to release the tension, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect all electrical connectors and the main power cable attached to the alternator. You might also need to unbolt and move aside components like the power steering pump to gain clear access. With access clear, it's time for removal. Unbolt the old alternator from its mounting brackets, typically 2 or 3 bolts. Carefully maneuver the old unit out of the engine bay, noting its orientation. Now, take your new alternator and carefully position it into place. Securely fasten all mounting bolts, ensuring they are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications for a firm fit. Almost done? Reconnect all electrical wires and the main power cable to your newly installed alternator. Next, carefully reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it's properly seated on all pulleys and has the correct tension. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your Lexus RX 350 and check your dashboard for any warning lights, ensuring the new alternator is charging correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.